guys, this is Sulabh and you're watching my channel S6 Tech, and I'm again back with my another video. And in this video I'm going to talk you guys about the custom ROM Paranoid Android version 6.0.2. Well guys, as I told you in my last video that I'll review the Oxygen OS version 3.1.0, but unfortunately I didn't find any changes other than the security patch level that has got changed from August to July. Well, after that I installed the Paranoid Android version 6.0.2 in it, and I decided to review it. And in this review I'll tell you the unique features of Paranoid Android, and as well I'll show you the result of Geekbench 4, AnTuTu Benchmark and AnTuTu 3D Benchmark. So guys, let's get started. So guys, let's check the about phone of this ROM, what's given in the ROM here. Yes, you can see here the Paranoid Android version is 6.0.2 with the Android version of 6.0.1. But sadly guys, we get here the security patch of July 5, 2016. So before I tell the feature of this ROM, I would like to tell you the results of the Geekbench 4, AnTuTu Benchmark and the AnTuTu 3D Benchmark. So guys, let's get started with the benchmark test. So let's check the Geekbench 4. Okay, I'll provide the link in the description box below to download this app from the Play Store, and you need internet access to check the benchmark results of your phone. So let's run the CPU benchmark over here. So guys, this will take some time. I'll directly jump you in the results now. So guys, we are with the results here. You can see the single core score is 1189 and the multi-core score is 3119, and you can see here system information is also provided. And I would like to tell you that when you run the benchmark score or results of any benchmark application, like I am going to tell you about the Geekbench and the AnTuTu Benchmark, while it processes your phone you need to be very patient. So let's check the AnTuTu Benchmark here. Okay, so you can see here we need to tap here for the test. So again, this is also going to take some time. Till it I'll skip that process. You can see while you do it by yourself. So guys, we are again here with the AnTuTu benchmarks, and you can see here AnTuTu provides every minute detailed score of your phone, and you can see here the overall score of OnePlus 2 on the Paranoid Android version 6.0.2 is 72,548, and the 3D score is 26,573, and the user experience score is 25,076, and the CPU score is 16,192. The RAM speed of the OnePlus 2 is 4707, and you can see here every minute detail score is present in the AnTuTu benchmark. Okay, so this is about the benchmark score. So let me tell you the feature about the Paranoid Android version 6.0.2. So guys, let's get started with the features. So guys, let's get started with the features of this ROM. Firstly, I would like to share my experience while using this ROM. Guys, this ROM is very much like the pure Android, and it's also similar with the Oxygen OS, but the performance I got here was way better than the Oxygen OS, and the ROM is very much stable and light, and I have installed stock Google apps in the ROM, and I'll provide the link in the description box below for the ROM as well as the Open Gaps project page. So let's move towards the features guys. So guys, let's move towards the feature of this ROM. This ROM is packed with some unique features, like the biggest one is the most stable theme engine. Here you can see here the themes, and you can customize here everything from the theme packs towards the sound. You can see style, icons, fonts, wallpapers, log wallpapers, and many more. But sadly you cannot customize boot animation here. The boot animation option is not here in the theme engine like the Cyanogen mods one, but there are also some unique features like the buttons customization, and I can show you. Yes, the buttons customization is also there. You can enable the software keys like I have enabled, and you can also use the hardware keys. So I like the software, so I use it. And there are also some off-screen gestures like we have seen in the Oxygen OS. You can see a double tap to wake and some other gestures, but I don't use every. So basically I use very basic gestures like those are provided in the Oxygen OS. Guys, we also get two additional features over here. If we touch this plus button over here, so we get two additional options. The first is floating peak and the second is immersive mode. So let's check what the floating peak is. So I drag this option, so let's enable this. Okay, the floating peak is now enabled. This says opens app in a floating window when a peaking notification is tapped. So let's check what the peaking notification is. So let's open another app. As it says, it's like the multi-window option, and let's go to recent apps. So you can see here we have two apps here, and you can see here there are a floating peak window option. So let's see what it is. Okay, you can see here we have two screens now. The in the background it's running the settings app, and here we are running with the Chrome. So you can see how the floating window works. So let's see what is the immersive mode. So let's drag this. Okay, so let's enable this. Okay, fully immersive navigation only status bar. So let's check what it is. Hide both the navigation and the status bar for a fully immersive experience. Okay, so you can see here the phone is now got a full screen mode. Okay, if we swipe from the top end, or yes, or from the bottom end, we can have the navigation bar and the status bar back. So actually it's like a full screen mode that is provided in some browsers. So guys, I think this is all about the special features for the Paranoid Android and the benchmark scores. So guys, if you want to track the daily happenings of this channel, so it's on the Facebook. I'll provide the link in the description box below. So thank you guys. If you liked my video, so please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel for such more interesting video. Bye guys, see you in my next video.